In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove history from Google Play Store. By the end, you will know how to clear both your search history and your broader Play activity. First, open Google Play Store. On most Android phones, you will find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. When it opens, you should see the main store page with tabs like Games, Apps, or Offers near the top. If you see that familiar layout, you are in the right place to start cleaning up your history. Now tap your profile picture in the top right. This is the small circular icon, usually showing your Google account image or a colored letter. When you tap it, a menu slides down from the top showing options like Manage Apps and Device, Library, Payments and Subscriptions and Settings. This menu is where Google hides most account and privacy controls. From here, tap Settings. The Settings option usually sits partway down that profile menu. After you tap it, a new screen opens with different sections such as Network Preferences, Apps, General, and Family. If you are not on this screen, go back once and try tapping Settings again. Next, tap General. This opens a smaller list of everyday options that control how the Play Store behaves on your device. Here you might see things like account and device preferences and other behavior-related settings. General is where Google places options that are not tied to a single app but to how the store works for you overall. Now tap Account and Device Preferences. When this screen opens, scroll slowly if needed and watch for the section that handles your device-level history and preferences. Beginners often miss it by scrolling too fast, so move gently until you see Clear Device Search History. Once you find that area, stop scrolling so you do not skip past it. Then tap Clear Device Search History. As soon as you tap it, the Play Store prepares to remove the list of terms you previously searched for on this device. On many phones, this happens instantly with no extra screen, and your old search suggestions in the Play Store search bar will disappear the next time you tap it. Finally, confirm if prompted. Some versions of the Play Store show a small confirmation box asking if you really want to clear your search history. If you see that message, tap the Confirm button. Once you do, the app removes those saved searches for this device only, and there is no undo. If you also want to manage your wider Play activity, tap your profile picture again, then Personalization in Play, then Play History. From there, you can review or delete items like searches, apps you use, and pages you viewed, and changes apply to your Google account activity. You have now cleared your Google Play Store search history and learned where to manage Play history for your account. If this helped tidy up your Play Store, please give the video a quick thumbs up and feel free to subscribe for more simple Android tips.